welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my recreation of the Bratz challenge. I cannot wait to try this out. This challenge has blown up to the whole beauty industry and I wanted to try it myself, so keep on watching the whole video to see the whole look. Thank you guys. I'm going to be using this brush right here, and then we're going to start putting on all the base all over our lid. I recommend this P. Louise base because it makes the colors more vibrant. And also don't put translucent powder unless your eyelids crease a lot, then I would recommend it, but if you don't have that problem, don't put translucent powder. And now that we have it all over our eyelid, I'm going to be using this brush right here. We're going to do this. Alright, so now we have our eyelids ready. I'm going to start by using this one right here. It's like green. Like that. And then with a new brush, you're going to want to just blend out here, the edges, top. And then if you see that your color is like going away because of the blending, then you can start again by blending it out again, adding more color. Now we're going to be using our Revolution concealer. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. And then you're going to want to cut your crease. This is actually a really easy eye look. Very easy. Easy, like Charles palette, and we're going to be using this green down here. This is too big. No, I think this is fine. I'm going to be using the M441, sipping that right into it. We're going to put that right here. I'm going to start by like adding it, but little by little. Again, take the excess off by doing that. I'm going to be using this third shade right here on the top row. Alright, so now we're going to be using the Stila eyeliner. We're going to apply some eyeliner. So what I do is I basically just look at my lower lash line and just like kind of like figure it out how I'm going to do it. So I start first by making the long part. Okay, so now that I have only one eye ready, I'm going to be right back and I'm going to do this eye and I'm going to show you how I put my lashes on. Alright, so what I do is I use this duo glue and then I just wait like around 30 seconds for it to get tacky, see? You're gonna wait till that blue disappears and then that's a good time for you to put it on. So we're just gonna wait. Alright, so now that it's gotten a little tight, you're gonna want to start by putting it in the middle, and then you're gonna rub the end, both ends, and stick it closer, and then alright, now that we have our lashes on and everything, we're gonna start by prepping our skin with the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Just gonna like, oh my god, this feels. Alright, so I have two foundations right here from Milani, and I wanted to try this out, so I'm gonna figure out which is my color. I'm thinking it's gonna be more of this one. This is too pink. I'll try both of them. Let's see. Both of the colors didn't fit me. I'm probably gonna be using this one right here, and I'm gonna be putting like a little bit of a white foundation I have. I'm gonna be using this one right here, so it matches. And then I'm gonna be using this one right here. This one is to lighten up your foundation. Just put a little bit like that, and then I'm gonna grab a brush to just like mix it in like this, and then it completely goes. Right, and that looks like pretty good. So now, right here I have the Jeffree Star Beauty Sponge Trio. I cannot wait to try this out. If I can even open it. Alright. So I'm gonna try this one, and then I'm gonna wet it a little bit. See there, the foundation looks so much better. I tried it like normally, it did not look good. My conceal and define, even though I have none of it left. I gotta hurry up because my hammer's gonna die. I don't want it to die on me while I'm doing my makeup. Now I'm going to be using the Flower Setting Powder by Beauty Bakery Cosmetics. Try this out. Okay. How do you work this? We're going to pack it on. I'm going to be using this one, the Wet n Wild. It has a contour and a highlight, but I'm going to be using the contour here. I'm going to be using this brush right here, and I'm just going to be dipping it in to this one. Yeah, this is kind of working out. I always add some right here. And then add a little bit down here again. Setting powder, you're gonna go back in with your beauty blender. Just put it back there. And then you're gonna wanna cut it. I call this cutting. Next, jumbo eye pencil, we're gonna line our waterline. Oh damn, There we go. I'm gonna hold it and then alright, so now that we have almost everything ready, I'm gonna grab my brush and we're gonna dust off all powder on our face. Like that. Alright, so I'm gonna be using this cute palette from Beauty Bakery. Focus! Well, I'm gonna be using this palette from Beauty Bakery, and I'm gonna be using this color right here, down here. Just put on a little bit because I'm not really a blush girl, but you know. I'm gonna be using the Beauty Bakery Illuminator. I totally recommend this. I think it's pretty good. You're gonna want to use first your Mario Badescu or any type of facial spray. You're gonna just right like that, and then back to the Beauty Bakery Illuminator. Just want to tap it a little bit because if not, you're gonna have like powder on top and it's gonna spill all over, and you don't want that. See, look at all of that. Oh, shoot, I don't even think I can show you. Like, it's literally all on top, and I'm like, oh my god, this is gonna drop. Alright, so I'm gonna be using my Jeffree Star, the collab that they did together. I'm gonna be using this one. See, look at that. Ooh, I'm telling y'all, it is amazing. Using these peaches and cream lip gloss. They're like nude. I don't know which ones to get. I got like, but amazing. I think I'm gonna use this one right here. Let's see what this one is. Let me just take it out. What's this one? Have you ever? Yeah, I think this one's pretty good. All right, you see? And they smell so good. Like, I recommend these. Alright, love, so this is the whole look. I hope you guys like it. I hope I do. I hope I recreated this look just spectacular like the Bratz doll did. Thank you guys for watching, and also please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more videos like these. Bye guys.